Now we are going to add the wall and to add also the door and the window. So for this, I'm going to, first I go on color, and then on color, I'm going to select white color like this. And I'm going to paint these two colors, like that. After, I'm going to take the push-pull tool, and I'm going to create a push-pull like this. So I take this part, and I'm going to tap to 230 centimeters, for example. Same thing here, double click, like this. Then this is going to be my window. So for my window, I'm going to go here and to push-pull for 80 centimeters, like this. Then I'm going to close here, so I take line like this and line like this. Then I'm going to go selection tool. I select this part, right click, erase, and I select this part, right click, erase also. And then I'm just going to, here I add a guide, and I would like to have a window like this from 1 meter. So it means, or maybe more, no, I think it's okay. So I'm going to just take the push-pull tool, and with push-pull here I'm going to reduce for 30 centimeters like that. I'm going to do the same work at this level, so it means that I take the line tool, I'm going to close up the element here, and after I select selection tool, I select this part, right click, erase, I select this part, right click, erase, and I select this part, right click, erase. Then I take push pull, and here I'm going to reduce to 30 centimeters for the door. Then I take eraser tool, I delete all the different bad segments that I don't want, like this. Here, here, and here. Then I'm going to add a window and a door, so I go 3D arrows, I can take window, and for example I can select and I can select this basic window. So I see this window, I can place here at this level. Like that. So after the things that I'm going to do, I take scale tool and I reduce little. Then I'm going to place this so I'm going to take this angle and I go here like that. Then I just need to take scale tool and here I take this point on edge and I take also, here it was not good, I'm going to come back, just need to take this point like this and then to take also this point in the middle until this. So it's okay for that. And then I'm going to add a door. And for example, I can add this door. So I can add this door, so I place at this level, I change the size with scale tool, like this. Then I take an angle, going to go here, scale tool, like that. And after you can also increase with this also if you want. Not too much, but just little like this. Like that. And it's okay to integrate the window and to integrate the door of the room.